Now here is my sawdust stove. This is the igniter port and we see nothing there. But look at this. And this is packed full with sawdust. That barrel, I mean 5-gallon bucket, and we just put on the water on it, and getting hot. And I made that lid for it, and actually on those little holes I can tell have more air, and actually the gas a lot better burning everything on it. And so the gas, it's right now it's inside in the shop, and literally no any kind of smoke. And yesterday we tried with that top, and was burning the bucket a little bit more than 3 hours continually, and you don't have to watch it over. Now what I did, I thought that should be nice if we can control the flame. So on that port, igniting port, I made a flap, and look at this. When I close the flap, look at the flame. The flame just a little bit burning. And now I open up, and again we'll ignite it. Very good. I will close it. See, now I closed it, and just the flame is wandering around. Now when I will open up, when the draft begun, first we don't see flame there, but just a little while will be active again. And of course I closed, I think, the little bit too long, but over here we cannot see anything too much. But up there in a hole we can see how the sawdust is illuminating and burning. I think this is a very good and very safe cooking option.